Did you know that apps can help you improve your public speaking game? In this video, I'll be sharing 3 public speaking apps to help you improve your next presentation. If you haven't subscribed yet, then hit that subscribe button to get notified every single time that I post a new video that helps you move towards your next best version. What most people don't know about me is that prior to having titles like international speaker or TEDx speaker, one of my greatest fears at school was being randomly called by a teacher to answer a question in front of the entire class. I used to be so afraid of saying the wrong thing and then have to deal with being ridiculed by my teacher, and then laughed at by my classmates. Oftentimes, when we get put on the spot, we have a tendency to just blank out. So we use filler words such as like, just to help us buy a little extra seconds. And when we run out of thinking time, our anxiety kicks in. Has there ever been a time in your life when you found yourself searching for the right words to say? Let me know in the comments below if you have. In the past year, I've helped graduate entrepreneurs and small business owners find their voice and use it to reconnect with their audience more authentically. In the process of serving others, I found my voice too, and I'm really excited to help you find yours or simply improve your communication skills in this video. If you have an upcoming presentation and you're feeling a little bit anxious about it, these small improvements can help you feel more confident. Earlier in this video, I talked about using filler words as a coping mechanism whenever we get caught off guard and are suddenly asked to speak on the spot. While I understand that it isn't always possible to work with a speech coach or to work with me one-to-one, there are apps out there that can provide you with some level of speech coaching. Whether you want to practice your next presentation or simply just improve the way you communicate on a day-to-day basis, you can improve the clarity of your speaking with an app called Umo. Umo can help you better understand your speaking pace and your volume over time. Umo measures the length of your pauses, the clarity of your speaking, and then it gives you some feedback on your pronunciation. If you're a non-native English speaker like me, feedback on your pronunciation and clarity can add more certainty to your delivery. Comment below if you've ever picked a different word simply because you were unsure how to pronounce the word that you initially had in mind. The second app that I want to share with you today is called Rev. I normally use Rev.com for my YouTube video captions, but what I find really cool is Rev's voice recorder. Rev's voice recorder is quite handy if you're trying to build your public speaking confidence, because you can practice your speech using the Rev voice recorder and then get a transcript of your talk once you're done. And here's the brilliant part. As you read the transcript of your speech, you'll be able to identify any words that you've overused, where you tend to get stuck, or where you tend to stutter. Rev also shows you what your favorite filler words are whenever you start to lose your train of thought. As you become more aware of the way you speak and what tends to obstruct your speaking, you will find yourself speaking in a more articulate manner. If you're not practicing for a specific speech or talk, and all you're trying to do is improve your ability to have a conversation or speak more articulately on a given topic, then learning how to speak impromptu can be helpful. There's actually an app called Impromptu Generator that does just that. Impromptu Generator gives you a current event or a quote for you to explain in your own words in a timely manner. Impromptu speaking trains your mind to think on your feet. Thinking on your feet will also serve you well when you have a speech or a presentation to deliver. The more you're able to share your ideas more naturally, the more confident you will feel. If you play around with impromptu enough, you'll find yourself feeling more confident to tackle the dreadful Q&A session. If you need more ideas on how to spice up your storytelling and be more impactful every single time that you open your mouth, then download my free guide below. And be sure to check out this video next on how to be more confident in your virtual interviews. You can find the link to all what I just shared with you on the description box below. If you like this video, let me know in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe, share with a friend, and hit that like button so I can continue making more videos like this just for you. Have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one.
To book Sell for a keynote or workshop, go to www.sellamard.com/speaking.